Musamseleku was asking Mayeni why Mayeni accept Tirelo as her daughter-in-law. She can't accept Mabiela Amahle. You know that it takes time Tirelo and Mayeni to get along, because at that time Tirelo came to Mpumelelo's life. Vuyokazi was still on Mpumelelo's life. So Mayeni doesn't accept Tirelo fast. So sometimes Musamseleku have to know his wife that Mayeni want to know about the relationship with Mpumelelo. That relationship is going to last, because Mayeni is tired to accept people who doesn't stay long in Mpumelelo's life. Those people, they stay at short time and go, you understand, and leave Mpumelelo. Why Mayeni accept Tirelo now? Because Mayeni saw that Tirelo, she is strong to stay on Mpumelelo's life. Tirelo loves Mpumelelo more than Vuyokazi. Vuyokazi, yes, we know that Vuyokazi loves Mpumelelo, but Tirelo, she loves Mpumelelo more than Vuyokazi, the way she loves Mpumelelo. So Mayeni doesn't want to do any mistake now, because even to accept Tirelo, it was not easy, because she doesn't think that Tirelo can stay on Mpumelelo's life. Maybe Tirelo came for money to Mpumelelo's life. Mayeni doesn't trust Amahle, because most of the girls who came in Mpumelelo's life, they want fame, especially fame. They want fame most of the time, because Mpumelelo talk to those girls and say, you will be on Utando Nestembo program, what, you are my second wife, what. That's why those girls want to be on Mpumelelo's life. So Mayeni doesn't trust Amahle now. Musamseleku have to give Mayeni time to think about that, not to jump. Like Mayeni have to accept him Amahle, because Tirelo, she is still on Mayeni's house every time. Tirelo, you are still spending time with Tirelo. Why Amahle, what? No. You know that even with Tirelo, it takes time. Mayeni accept Tirelo because at that time Vuyokazi was no longer in Mpumelelo's life. So that's why Mayeni end up accepting Tirelo. Musamseleku have to know that as women, we don't accept another woman like just like easy, you understand, because we don't understand things about East-Tembo. Even now Mayeni, she can't accept even Makwela. So sometimes Musamseleku have to be patient with Mayeni, especially when he wants to force like that, force to Mayeni. Mayeni doesn't like that person who can force her to do things. She have to do things with her own decision. She doesn't like it like he looks like Mayeni is like a child or what. He wants everything to be done at his time. No, Mayeni doesn't like those things. Even you know that sometimes Mayeni is right. That Mayeni told Musamseleku that I'm not your child on season 8. Mayeni was right, because Musamseleku want Mayeni to do things with his own way, not with Mayeni's way. Mayeni have to know, because every mother-in-law, you can't accept another woman's child like very easy. It's not easy. Even Musamseleku was saying that Mayeni doesn't like Vuyokazi at the first time. What Vuyokazi, Mayeni never liked Vuyokazi. I don't want to lie, even until the end. But what I saw to Mayeni, why she likes Tirelo, Mayeni doesn't like Vuyokazi, but she likes Tirelo, because Mayeni saw that Tirelo is a free spirit. You know that sometimes you can judge Tirelo about her pregnancy. Guys, when you are pregnant, you can behave like you are not you the person, because of the person you carry in your womb. Tirelo was behaving like someone. She was have got a character. Some of the characters, when we are starting watching Izingane Zestembu season 2 or season 1, Tirelo was behaving like something when she was pregnant with Sengabako, but now she is different. Even with Mpumelelo siblings, they are friends with guys. Tirelo loves everyone, loves Mpumelelo. Even Mpumelelo siblings, Mpumelelo's mother, you know that Tirelo Why Mayeni accept Tirelo? Because of her behavior. Tirelo behaves good, and she doesn't have characters. So what I saw between Tirelo Vuyokazi and Mayeni, those people, they've got very short character and they don't click. You know that sometimes you can't click with that person. It happens. But when it comes to Tirelo and Mayeni, they are like friends.